You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. This project takes about 3 hours to sew. I used about 50 centimeters of cotton fabric, same amount for lining. Choose your size and cut the pattern. Glue the pattern pieces with a sticky tape. Add seam allowance. I suggest 1 centimeter. Don't forget center fold on back detail. Sew side seams of the skirt. Cut the same size for lining, also sew the sides. Press the seams. Mark the split length with a pin. Measure it to your figure for best result. Sew the top of the split. Sew the top of the split on lining part. Break one side seam to make space for the secret zipper. Same for lining. I use 25 centimeters zipper. Connect lining with skirt. Sew waist seam. Measure the skirt on your figure before sewing. Sew extra seam on the lining part. Sew in the zipper. Sew hole under the zipper. Sew lining to the zipper. Sew hole under the zipper. Sew extra seam on waist to secure the lining. Cut out 1 centimeter from bottom of the lining to make sure that it won't be seen. Sew the edges of the split. Iron the split part. Sew half of the bottom seam. Leave a small hole that you could flip the skirt to a good side. Then, sew other side of the skirt. Cut out the corners of the split. Pin and iron the bottom seam. Sew the hole by hand. Good luck on this project.